Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever wondered why some TikTok creators seem to blow up overnight while others struggling to grow, the secret isn't just luck, it's actually the analytics. In today's video, I am breaking down exactly what TikTok analytics is, how to read your data, and most importantly, how to use those insights to grow your account faster. We will talk about the key metrics you should be tracking, what they actually mean, and I will share some practical tips to help you boost your engagement and reach more people. So if you are serious about growing on TikTok, make sure you stick around to the end and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more social media growth tips. So for that purpose, you are going to need a TikTok Studio application where you can see the analytics of your account. So I have already installed this on my Android phone. You can search TikTok analytics, or you can also search TikTok Studio on your App Store as well, on the Google Store as well. It's available on both platforms. So you have to install this application. You can see the rating is like 4.5 star, and it has 3,63,000 reviews. Okay, and it has 50 million plus downloads. So you can get an idea how important this application is. So let's open this. So this is the I have already logged into my account. Okay, so this is my account already logged in, and this is the home page. Here you can see the trending section. Okay, you can get an idea about your relevant niche. You can search simply by this on this search button. You can search on any topic within your category. Okay, you will also get the top creators, like what they are producing. Okay, and you will also get the list of the hot topics in this section. You will also get the hot videos or the trending posts. You can search the topics as per your viewership. Okay, so here's analytics. This is a fresh account. Okay, so just for to show you how this works, this application works, how you can analyze your audience. So here you will get the overview of your account for the past 7 days. You can also check for the 28 days, 60 days as well. Okay, so in this matrix you will get an idea about how many views you have got on your videos, how many profile views you got, how many likes, comments, and share you got. Okay, you will also get an idea about how much revenue you have generated through these videos. You will also see from which source audience is coming, like the viewers are coming from the Facebook, Google, Instagram, like, or WhatsApp. If someone is sharing your video on the TikTok, then viewer must be coming from that WhatsApp account. Okay, so you can also check the most the top post or the top videos of your account. You can see the viewers, like from where the viewers are. You can see their gender, age. You can also see the location. So these informations will help you build more a more attractive post for your account that will help you boost your followers. Okay, so in the monetization section you can see the estimated revenue, but right now monetization is not available on my account because it's a new fresh account. Okay, you can also use this application to create a reel. You can also use it to edit any photo, like you want to edit thumbnail of your videos. Okay, here in this section you can see this inspiration section, and here you can see the multiple videos.
I like film 30.
So here you can get an idea of the videos like people are uploading. So that was all about TikTok Studio, how to use this analytics features of this TikTok and grow your follower fan base. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.